Let's face it, no spouse getting separated or divorced wants to go to family court. Who would? Who needs the expense, frustration, and anxiety of a family court case? Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to go to family court to protect your family law rights. First, you need to determine what your goals are in your separation or divorce on these key issues. Child custody and access, which is increasingly called parenting time today, child support, spousal support, and the property issues in your case. You need to discuss these important family law issues with an experienced family lawyer. Your family lawyer can tell you whether your goals in your separation or divorce are reasonable based on the facts of your case and the principles of Ontario family law. You should definitely first try to negotiate a separation agreement with your former spouse. A separation agreement is a legally binding written agreement in which you and your spouse agree on specific terms for the key areas in your separation or divorce. Your separation agreement would deal with the specific areas of child custody and access, as we discussed, child support, spousal support, and the property issues in your case, including your home or residence. You need to discuss with your family lawyer the attitude of your spouse. Is your spouse reasonable? Will they take a reasonable position on the issues in your situation? You certainly can't hope your former spouse will be reasonable. You have to make a realistic assessment with the help of your lawyer whether your spouse will be reasonable on the key issues in your separation and whether your spouse will ultimately sign a fair and reasonable separation agreement. When your former spouse is not acting reasonably from the start, and it does not look like they're going to become reasonable at any time in the near future, you should seriously consider going to family court to deal with your legal issues in your separation. You might also have to go to family court if your separation agreement, negotiations with your spouse break down, and it does not look like your negotiations will be successful. You have to have a few important meetings with your lawyer to discuss the details of the right approach to take, that is, trying to negotiate a separation agreement or going to family court to deal with these issues. Your lawyer should be able to give you some solid advice on the best approach to take for your situation, based on the details of your situation or case. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page, that's O'Malley Family Law. Visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegalaladvice.com or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We would be happy to speak to you. Oh, by the way, did you know you can protect your family law rights and get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips at my free Facebook group? Go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thanks for watching this video and have a great week. Take care, everyone.